Okay, so random sampling, the most frequently used sample. So get that. Random sample is the most frequently used sample in social science research. We have to have a random sample. Now, what does random sample mean? It means everybody who's a member of the group of the population has an equal chance of being selected in the sample. So I've got a great big pool, a population, of everybody who's been divorced. Now, when I want to do research, then for it to be random, everybody who's been divorced has to have an equal chance of being selected for the sample. That makes it random. Now, random does all kinds of neat things for us. It evens out all variables, makes two groups dead equal. So on that depression one we were talking about, and given the Beck depression scale, then we would have two groups. We would have one huge, large group of people for that study. And then a random assignment simply means you look at a random numbers on a table, and actually you'll go down and say we have 1,500, you'll take 4 digits, and as you go down the row, the first one might be 1,800, you wouldn't use it. The next one down might be 0039, so you take number 39. You look on your list to the 39th person, you put them in group A. Then you go down to the next number and it might say 1256. You look over here for 1256, they go in group B. Then you look for the next one, they go to group A. The next one, group B. Okay? And they randomly get shifted in to two groups. Now when we do that, they should be dead equal on every variable. Intelligence, okay, gender typically. That makes sense to you? Depression. Okay. So there should be people who are very depressed and people who are mildly depressed in both groups. Okay. Experimental design, the only way to make cause-effect statements, that simply means random assignment and a control group. In Mayo's experiment with raising the lighting, he didn't have a control group, did he? If he would have had a control group of people that he didn't raise the lighting on to start out with, he would have figured it out right then, wouldn't he? Hey, this group over here didn't change at all. Or their productivity went up too, so it wasn't the lighting. Know the different types of research and the problems with each we talked about today. Problems with correlational study, can't make cause-effect statement. Problem with survey, the meaning of the words, and then getting a good collection of data back. Observation, Hawthorne effect, and experiments where we want to get.